Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video to basically do one English speaking practice, and today the cue card which I've chosen for speaking in this video, that is about describing an IPL team which is your favorite one. So because nowadays there are a lot of people are watching IPL matches, so that is very interesting question for people because like most of the people choose their state, and that is how basically this tournament look like, and that is how like people follow, and majority of the people who are living in India, they follow and they have a craze of watching their favorite team. So that's why I've chosen this topic, and I also watch multiple matches on this Premier League. So that's why I've chosen this, because I know a lot of I do have a lot of knowledge about that. So let's implement like how much I'm able to speak on it. So let's start it. So if I talk about like past couple of years back, I do have a one team which is RCB, but after there is lot of basically players who's come there and didn't able to perform very much, and the major concern is regarding title, because they are not able to basically get a title in a tournament. That is very difficult for them, I think so. That's why they haven't do that, but majorly most of the people do like Mumbai Indians, which is very famous, and that is why like lots of people like, and that is economic like capital of India as well, you can say. So that's why it is also famous. My favorite one is nowadays, like past 2 years or 3 years backs, I do follow SRH, which is in which name is Sunrises Hyderabad, because their batting and bowling is pretty good, and so that's why I follow. Like past, like last year, I've seen a crazy amount of, you can say, support people's uh, giving them because of their extraordinary batting. Yeah, so uh, that is very amazing to watch, and there's lot of basically uh, you can say sixes and fours you will get if you're watching that particular match of SRH basically, and they do have a very fine bowling attack as well, because they are very best in business, you can say, but still they haven't able to uh, basically get the title, which is the most important part in that particular phase. If you are talking about like title, there is one two teams which is very consistent regarding like getting the trophies, such as like Mumbai and Chennai. These two basically franchises are most title winner. Everyone like every each one of basically get five titles in like whenever like once the like IPL started, from the starting of the IPL. So that is huge. There is 18 years. So on particular that years, you will see like there is two teams only win 10 times. So along with that, there is 10 teams. Rest of them are like not that much of strongest team, you can say. So yeah, this is how IPL look like, and my favorite one is SRH, and I'm hoping to win them, because still they are not able to basically get the start from the beginning, but yeah, still they are capable of winning the title, and so I believe, and they also believe in their ability and what they are capable of, because there is one person who is very uh, you can say competitive, and you can say very experienced, who have been the titles in international cricket as well, such as Pat Cummins, who is very famous for his work as well around the globe. So yeah, this is how IPL thinks and IPL talks. Basically, I want to speak more, but yeah, still, Yeah, like once you know the topics and you are used to of it the words which is come very free flowing. You can say you can speak flawlessly. So that's why I recommended people who know whatever who are like good at whatever field, they should need to speak on that particular field initially, because that helps them to build a confident confident in themselves, they can speak. So on this video, that is it. I hope you find it helpful. Bye bye, have a good day.